In the forests of Australia, there lives a bird so talented it could be mistaken for a walking sound effects studio. The superb lyrebird is nature's master mimic, capable of copying almost any sound it hears. From camera shutters and chainsaws to sci-fi laser blasts and even a crying baby, this feathered impressionist never runs out of surprises. Its incredible vocal abilities help attract mates and intimidate rivals, earning it the title of the animal kingdom's ultimate performer. With such a mind-blowing playlist, the lyrebird could give any sound effects artist a run for their money.